Thank you for joining us. I'm Brad Claunch.
And I'm Quinn Tran. They call it the varsity sport for the mind.
We're talking about robotics competition. The Chickasaw Nation sponsors a program for area high school students.
The team is known as Mayhem, and for weeks now they've been racing to prepare for competition.
We want on this side. Here you go. So it keeps it balanced.
For 6 straight weeks, they've worked to design and build their robots.
It's quite a bit stronger.
A dozen teenagers from 8 different Ada area schools are members of Mayhem, a robotics team sponsored by the Chickasaw Nation. On this weekend, they're down to the wire. Their robot, Anakin, and Minibot, Luke, must be tested and ready to ship for competition.
This is actually probably like our 5th robot, or 5th or 6th.
We've made so many prototypes and stuff, it's ridiculous.
Oh.
There's a lot of stuff you have to think about on the robot. Like, how's it gonna work? How's it gonna go along with the tournaments?
See, I pull the trigger and tank drive back and forth. You'll just be able to weave your way through the traffic.
To help guide them through the process, the team has mentors who are retired engineers.
Now I pulled the trigger, and now I can slide. As a mentor, you're working side by side. They're right there with you. You're on a peer-to-peer setup. And so then they get to be part of it.
You know, getting all the different components to talk to each other and to understand what each other's saying just took a ton of work.
The idea here is to encourage them to develop their science, technology, and math skills, to further their education, to get them on to an engineering program, or even if they don't go on to engineering, just to go on and do more, to want to do more.
For us to invest so much into science, into education, into what we're doing for our children, it says a lot because we're looking to the future.
Sarah Willie is the manager of the Science, Technology, and Math Academy with the Chickasaw Nation. She says the students range from ages 14 to 18.
This is my first year. I really enjoy it though.
14-year-old Kaylin Donaldson is the youngest on the team.
You have to work as a team in order to get something to work right and well and get the job done. And it's going to be like that in life, so it helps us for the future and everything. We want to win, so I like winning.
It's game day. Mayhem is in Oklahoma City for the regional competition. More than 50 teams are competing. The Mayhem team is in place, making last-minute tweaks. Everyone is excited to take the stage.
Once it starts, everybody's excited and everybody's just ready to have fun and just go out there and just try their best.
It's a stressful environment in competition. Teams operate their robots by remote control,
over to left,
steering them to pick up objects to place on rings. The last few seconds, the big robots race to get their mini-bots to climb the pole for extra points. Mayhem gets its mini-bot, Luke, to the top and earns a spot in the finals. They place in the top 20. It's a personal victory. The team will get one more shot this spring to make it to nationals. Their next stop, Denver, Colorado, for more robotics competition.
I'm so proud that the tribe does this because it's teaching our children that we believe in them and that we know just how important it is for them to succeed.
The Chickasaw Nation also supports other activities for younger students to help them explore science, math, and technology.
There is a junior Lego program for kids ages 6 to 8 and a Lego program for those ages 9 to 14. Those two programs are stepping stones into the robotics program for high school students.